Hey, if your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro keeps disconnecting from your current device, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, you will have to open the Galaxy Wearable application, scroll all the way down, select earbuds settings, and now you will have to move into the reset. Tap on it once, click on the reset, perform the hard reset of your earbuds. Now close this case and recharge them for like 10 to 20 minutes by using the USB-C input. Next, you will have to open this charging case with the both earbuds inside, click and hold on this button and enter for the pairing mode. Now when they are blinking with the blue, red and the green, it means that they are available, they are visible for other devices. So all you have to do is just to connect them back by using the Bluetooth settings. There we go. And also you can connect them back into the Galaxy Wearable application. And now just please tell me if it works. And if it doesn't, I will highly recommend you to take advantage of the warranty, because probably there's like no other way to fix this. So that's all right now. Please subscribe.